All right, Diesel. What is that?
A
meteorite?
Don't know what this is. We're back. It's a beautiful sunny day. This spot was pretty good last time we were here. We were here with our new buddy Paul, and today we're gonna see if we can't pull up some more things. There was something I kept getting stuck on. It was really heavy. I've come back for it. Let's see if I can get it.
All right, it's the Honey Bear's first time at this spot. Diesel's returning. Sorry for all the traffic noise. We're gonna get our first throw. Here we go. The current is very strong. It has already taken my 360 underneath the bridge. All right, first toss. We got something. Well, what is it? That looks like just a piece of metal. Almost looks like a knife. All right, Diesel's got something.
What is this?
That's another chunk of metal. Looks like the ones I've been catching.
And this, almost like in the shape of a hook. Almost like a clamp even. Is that a wrench? Is that an old wrench?
Maybe. I don't know about a wrench.
It's definitely some sort of clamp.
But look, see how dark the metal is?
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting.
Cool. All right.
All right. Got some big bolts, or pieces of bolts, or something. Yeah, a lot of magnetic rock. All right, Diesel's got something here.
Thread, nice big bolt, and then we got, look at this. Look at this thing. Any idea? Looks like it's got a nail stuck to it. I don't even know what that is.
Ah, if you know what it is, let us know. It looks like you got some more stuff here.
What is this?
Looks like a kind of a screw or a bolt or something.
Yeah, a screw with a bolt still in it.
Oh, you got a little guy. See the little guy right there? Ah. Diesel's using the clamp by Kratos.
Otherwise known as Jaws, the 2,400 pound Orion clamp magnet. Good deal.
Explain to us what you're doing.
Well, the 360 is caught on something heavy and the current doesn't want to let it go. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust our angle, and this way we can try to see if we can work it off the side, because if it's stuck dead on and we slide it, we'll be able to slide it off. Like that.
Thanks, Diesel.
You're very welcome.
All right, well, we got something here that came up after we got stuck on whatever it was down there. Some metal plates. Definitely something. There's something down there, folks, but I don't know if we're going to be able to get it up. Pieces of metal. We definitely got a lot of little travelers. All right, Diesel. What is that?
A
meteorite?
Don't know what this is. I'm 100% stumped.
A meteorite that's magnetic. Whatever it is it heavy?
It's
looks like a cannonball.
I was actually thinking that, but it's kind of an
Look at all the little live
designed.
things on it. Little creatures.
I don't know, leave a comment. I am stumped on this one.
We got something here. Not sure what it is. Oh my god, that's on there. Metal. Some kind of cross part of a piece of metal. And I don't know what this is. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It actually made me wonder if it's oil. Could be mud. Let's see if I can get that. That's heavy though. It's definitely heavy. Not sure what that is. Let me know if you have an idea. And we got something else here. If we can reposition ourselves here. So we got a nice spike bolt, and this is interesting. Look at that. Almost looks like a chisel or something you would definitely work at, or maybe concrete, I'm not sure. Look at that, interesting. If you guys know what that is, let me know, comment below. And some more magnetic rock, tons of magnetic rock, guys. All right, we got some more stuff here. More of that flat metal. Something with a hole in it. Maybe a bracket that's fused to a rock. And not sure what that could be. More magnetic rock. Alright, we got something. Pull after pull, it just gets so heavy. What do we got here? Oh my god. Big hunk of metal. Or is that rock? Maybe it's magnetic rock. I'm not sure. That's a rock that was fused to this piece of metal. These are solid pieces. I wonder if it's, if you guys could see that broken down train bridge over there. I wonder if these are just old pieces that have flown down and we're just picking them up. It's definitely some magnetic rock. All right, we got something else here. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Looks like some kind of piece of track to something, or a bracket of some sort. Oh, this is just falling apart. Let's see if we can get this off. What is that? I'm not really sure what this is. If you guys have an idea, let me know. Oh, you can see the metal underneath the rust there. And then a ton of magnetic rock. Guys, every pull is just getting heavier and heavier. Oh my god. Oh. Well, we got a pipe. A big bolt. Oh. Some plastic will get out of there. We don't want that in there. Let's see if we can get this off. Oh, lots of magnetic rock. Oh yeah, juicy. There we go. Oh Oh, there's lots of runny chocolate pudding in that. Alright guys. Looks like we got maybe some kind of, looks like maybe a connector with the screw attached or a crank. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Hold on. Or a piece connector with a screw that was maybe still connected, or a crank of some sort, not sure. And another piece of flat metal. Alright guys, we caught, what is that, a cheese knife? Or maybe it was a murder weapon. A nail. And more magnetic rock. Alright, well, this looks like a little like mini iron or something you would press. I got a bunch of the rust off. See if I can get that. I'm not exactly sure what it was used. We don't want to lose that, but look at that.
That does look like a little iron. Look at that.
It's pretty cool.
Let me see if I can get that rock off.
Don't drop it.
I'm not going to drop it.
It's like fused on there.
Yeah, it is. Although...
Oh, you got it.
There you go.
Look at that, guys. Have you guys ever seen anything like this?
We'll put that rock back in the water.
What would you use that for? Is that for like metal work, or is it like little mini iron to...
That's
Gosh,
a
I'm
cool
curious.
find.
Woo!
You know what? You got butterfingers.
I do.
We're going to keep this by me so you don't drop it.
Well, I found a cross. Oh, holy. It is Good Friday. And interesting. Whoa, look at that, guys. That's how strong that magnet is. Looks like a bolt. Looks like there's something in there. I'm not exactly sure.
Just pulled up a treasure trove. We got one of these guys. Looks like, it almost looks like a stand of some sort. Little hook. Another one of these. We find these all over. What are they? Chinese throwing star.
I got one of those.
You're a ninja too?
I guess so.
Big rivet bolt. And a lot of the world infamous scallywag. A lot of magnetic rock down there. Look at that. Just piles of it. Oh, we got some up top too. We got another one of those. There it is. Oh my goodness. You may be a ninja, but I'm a full-blown samurai. Look at that. One. And then two fused together. There's three. These are infamous nunchuckables. Like that. Oh, here's another one. Four. A rock. And a bunch of scallywag. Well, no, that's metal. That's metal. We're gonna hang it right there. But the rest is magnetic scallywag. Nail. Look at that. That's a joint for piping. This is interesting. It's got bolts in it. Some scallywag. This is one huge chunk of metal. Wait a minute. is that?
I don't know.
We're gonna have to clean this guy up. Well, there's something.
It's a chunk of metal.
It's a chunk of metal. Look at that. All right. Well, there's that. We've got.
Is that chain?
That is chain. Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
That is all bundled up chain.
What else you got?
And that's an old chain. That's a hook at the end of the chain.
It's all like fused together.
Yep. Some sort of metal. What's that? We got another samurai throwing star. Nail. Nail. Piece of pizza.
Is that another one of those triangle things?
Yep. Trying to get all those worms back in the water so they don't. Yeah, triangle. And that is just some small piece of metal. That's another small piece of metal.
I got someone coming.
Metal. Spike. There you go. I think this is an all fused up bottle cap. Well, that'll wrap it up. We had some interesting finds. What we discovered after looking at the chain is there's a hook at the end, and the chain has just fused itself all together. Otherwise, we've got a lot of little odds and ends. We got more of these little circular metal things. It's driving me nuts. I want to know what these are. What's that? Oh, that's the throwing star. Yeah, a lot of cool stuff we're going to take a look at, and then we'll get back at it another time. So, see ya.